How to tie a 4-strand French Sennit. So, to tie the 4-strand French Sennit, in front of me I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 strands laid out in front of me, clamped together in whatever you want to clamp your cords to. So the first thing that we do to actually do this 4-strand Sennit, we then take the right hand one and we pass, so what we're going to do is take the right hand one, pass it underneath the one to the left of it, over that one, then finally under the last one there. So I'm going to go under, pass it under, take it over, pass it under. And then once you've done that, just pull up on it fairly tightly so that we end up with it going across like so, and then we can bring it down with the rest. Once we've done that, we do exactly the same again. We take this right hand one here and we pass it underneath the one next to it. So take it underneath, then over, and then finally under at this point here. And just pull it up, keep the tension on it. You want to keep the tension the same all the way through. And then we do it exactly the same again. We take this right hand one here, pass it under, over, under. So here we go, underneath, over, and then finally underneath again, and then just gently pull up on it. Keep that tension because you want it even all the way down as you're actually doing it. And then once again, we take the right hand one, we pass it under, take it over, then pass it under, and then just pull it up nice and tightly, and then we have it, we've done it again. And so I'm just going to carry on and do that for a little bit, and then what I can do is I can show you what the back side of it looks like once I've actually gone a little bit further. Okay, so as you can see, I've done a little bit more and we've got a rather pleasing pattern that has formed across here. And then if I turn that over, you can now see on the back side. So if I turn it over, on the back side, I've got that pattern there. So rather pleasing pattern for a lanyard or a picture frame.